In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add or remove staff accounts and in Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Settings and then select Users and Permissions. This is the section where you can manage who has access to your store and what they are allowed to do. It is important to give each staff member the right level of access so they can do their work without having permission to change areas they do not need. To add a new staff account, stay on the Users and Permissions page and look for the option to add a user or staff member. Once you open that form, enter the person's name and email address. You will also need to assign their role. The role determines what parts of the Shopify store they can access, so take a moment to choose the one that best fits their responsibilities. After entering the name, email, and role, review the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. This helps avoid access issues later. When you are ready, click Add and Save. Shopify will then create the staff account using the information you entered. In most cases, the new staff member will receive an invitation to access the store, so it is a good idea to make sure the email address was entered correctly before saving. If you ever need to remove a staff account, the process is also very simple. Return to the same Users and Permissions section in Settings. On that page, you will see the list of current staff accounts connected to the store. Find the staff member you want to remove and click on their name to open their account details. Once you are inside their profile or account settings, click Remove. This will revoke their access to the Shopify store. Before removing someone, make sure they no longer need access, since this action will prevent them from signing in and managing the store. It is also a good habit to regularly review your staff accounts to keep your store secure and organized. That is how you can add or remove staff accounts in Shopify. The process only takes a few moments, and managing access properly can help your store run more smoothly and securely. That covers everything you need to know.